Today we're going to be making milky slime with borax and glue. I'm excited! Let's go! How are we going to make slime? Borax is a powder and glue is a liquid. How do they make slime? It's simple. Let me explain. When borax is dissolved in water, it creates borate ions. Mixing those borate ions in the glue interact with the polymers of the glue and trap the water. And this thickens the runny glue into the slime. Do you want to see this in action? I'll show you. To make milky slime, you will need some white glue, you will need borax, warm water, glass containers, measuring spoons, mixing utensils, and if you want to give it some color, you need food coloring. After you knead it, this is what you get. And you can put as many colors as you want. Wow! You can save this in a Ziploc baggie up to 2 weeks. If you enjoyed my video, like and subscribe, please. See you next time!